Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to design a high-impact typography poster in Kittl AI. Perfect for bold statements and eye-catching design. Let's get started. First, go to Kittl AI and start a new project. Then here in the left-hand menu, click Kittl AI. Then, in the Create section, type your prompt. For example, you can be descriptive and specific about your idea. Then here, after done typing your prompt, click Generate and wait for the Kittl AI to create your design options. And then here you can customize the text. Click on the generated poster to edit and change the word, adjust the font, and modify the size for maximum impact. Choose a strong, contrasting colors and experiment with shadows, gradients, or textures to make typography pop. You can also include simple shapes, borders, or minimal graphics to complement the bold text without taking away the focus. And once satisfied, you can click download to save your poster as a high quality file for printing or sharing online. And that's it. That's how you can create a high impact typography poster in Kittl in just a few minutes. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.